Indonesian cultural diversity. Understanding Indonesia's cultural diversity. Cultural diversity in Indonesia. Indonesia is one of the unitary states in which it is filled with diversity and wealth. There are various ethnic groups and cultures as well as races, regions, and also religious beliefs. Indonesian cultural diversity. In a context understood by the compound community, in addition to cultural and also ethnicities, Indonesia also consists of various customs and cultures of the region, whose natural leads more towards the territory that becomes a meeting between of customs of one another. The culture of a group of tribes in the region, with an additional population of more than million people living on various islands in Indonesia. They also settled in a region with different geographical conditions, starting from mountainous regions that are areas with highlands, the lowlands as well as coastal, rural areas, urban areas, and so on. It is also very related to the level of civilization that exists in a particular group in Indonesia, which is notably very diverse. The meeting with various cultures as well as the customs in very affecting the process of natural assimilation that is found in Indonesia itself, and that benefits of cultural diversity as a promoter of humanitarian values, increase productivity and profitability, help create and talent pool, exchanging innovative ideas, benefits of diversity, futures of local cultural diversity in Indonesia. 1. Ethnic diversity. The classification of ethnic groups found in Indonesia itself according to Van Vollenhoven, which divided the country into 18 ethnic regions, among which Aceh, Bangka dan juga Belitung, 3 Bali dan juga Lombok, 4 Gorontalo Melayu, Minangkabau Mentawai, Kalimantan, Minahasa, Ambon, Jawa Barat, Sulawesi Selatan, Ternate, Sumatera Selatan, Irian, Timor, Gayo, Alas, dan Batak, Jawa Tengah dan Jawa Timur, Surakarta dan Yogyakarta, and last Toraja. 2. Liangue diversity. Western Austronesian language or known as Indonesian or Malay, consisting of Peronesian, consisting of Acehnese, Batak, Gayo, Minahasa, Malay, Minangkabau, Lampung, Central Malay, Bima, Mentawai, Java, Sundanese, Madura, Dayak, Bali, Sasak, Gorontalo, Bugis, Toraja, Makassar, Manggarai, Nias, Sabu, and Sumba. The East Indonesian consisting of Timor Ambon, Sula Bacan, Halmahera Selatan, Irian Barat. East Austronesian of Polynesian, consisting of Melanesian, and coast in the eastern Irian. Melanesia itself is originally from the Greek, which is a region that extends from the western Pacific region to the Arafura Sea, and also the sea part of Australia. Then, the Liga of Ionesia, uh, Micronesia, as well and Polynesian. 3. Religious diversity. Indonesian also includes countries in which there are various religions or beliefs. In this country, there are at least 6 regions that haven't been officially recognized by the state. The 6 religions in question are Islam, Buddhism, Catholicism, Confucian, and also Protestant. In addition, there are also various other beliefs that exist in the community and develop in them. 4. Diversity of arts and culture. In addition to some of the diversity mentioned above, Indonesia also has a very diverse art and culture between group and groups. Examples of this real form of diversity of art and culture are dance, literary art, music, drama, fine art, and many more. Benefits of cultural diversity. The cultural diversity in this country centrally provides its own benefits for this nation. For example, in the field of Liga, the culture of Liga owned by certain regions can certainly enrich the difference of terms in the Indonesian Liga itself. Meanwhile, in the field of tourism, the potential of cultural diversity is certainly very sustainable and interesting to be used as an object and destination of tourists in this country, and it certainly can increase the status foreign exchange. And no less important is the various kinds of thoughts that come from one region and also the other can centrally be used as a reference for the benefit of national development. Causes of cultural diversity. 1. Human factors. There are various cultural that exist in between are caused by humans. In general, humans are creatures that are very fond of different types of art, such as music, dance, and so on. 2. Natural environmental factors. In addition to being caused by humans, another factor that affects cultural diversity in natural environment factor. For example, the onsens for erupting mountains, earthquakes, floods, landslides, and so on are causing the season to start so much. People choose the move from one place to another. 3. Value and attitude change factor. Earth, age, individual always change to the norm and also the value that exist in society. The test values of course have a profound effect on human behavior, whether individually or in groups.